Hey everyone, today I will show you a quick and easy way to make your links clickable through Instagram Reels. First, please click on plus icon, then go through the Reels section and scroll down and tap on the photos or videos you wanna post for Reel. I choose this photo to post. Here we go. Then please press on the sticker icon available on the top and type link in the search bar. Tap on any sticker you prefer and then adjust its size with your fingers. Now press the button next and share it to your profile. After the completion of the post, please visit your profile again. As you can see, my reel has been successfully posted. Now go to your profile and click on edit profile and again click on links and press on add external links. There you can add any URL you want to post. Then go with done and here you have it. Please subscribe our channel and like the video for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.